In this part, we mainly focus on conditional rendering the cross and also the search bar, because you can see this is the real Instagram. When you click on this, the search icon will disappear and the cross icon will appear when we click on this. So now we want to add this to our search bar. So we go back to our project and go to the headers and go to the top. We go to add import the use state, use ref, and also use effect, because now we are going to add two states to control the visibility. So under the headers, we add two states. One is the search visibility, which control the search icon, and the cross visibility is to control the plus circle icon. And we also use the use ref to create the input area ref, and we are going to put this to the search bar area. So we add the ref is equal to the input area ref, and then we go to the top again and go to add the use effect. And this use effect is to check if the user click outside the input area, it will set the cross visibility to be false. So this should be disappear when the user click on this, and the search will be true because this will pop up the search icon. Otherwise, it will do the opposite. So we save it, and also we have to bind this to the icon. So for the search visibility, we go down to here and we add the condition. So this will appear when this is true, and we do the same for the cross visibility. We go down and go to the plus icon, and we use the condition by adding this, and then use double N and save it. Now we back to our website, and now you can see the cross icon disappear for initial state. But when we click on this, you can see it appear, but the search icon disappear. When we click outside this will appear again.